This is kind of a hidden Southwest strategy that can save you some points and some cash on existing Southwest reservations. If you don't already know, my name is Max and I help people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points so they can travel more, travel better, and travel for less. If you like miles and points content like this, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and let's get started. Southwest has some super flexible change policies. They don't charge you any fees whatsoever to change your flight. When you change your flight, if the price of the flight increases, you may have to pay the difference in fare. And that's pretty normal for pretty much any airline. But for Southwest, if you change your flight and your flight price decreases, you can get the difference fare back. It could be either points or a travel credit depending on how you booked your flight. For example, if I booked a ticket that's $100 and the flight price decreases to $80 next week during a Southwest sale, I can reprice my existing flight and get a $20 travel credit that I can use later. If I booked with points and the flight costs 10,000 points and the flight price decreases to 8,000 points during a Southwest sale, I can reprice my existing booking and get 2,000 points back. And I don't pay any additional fees whatsoever to change my flight. This is what I call the Southwest repricing strategy, and it works on your existing reservations that you may already have. Let me show you a real example of my flight in January from San Diego to Chicago. So I'm here on the Southwest page and I'm logged into my account. I can click on my account to see my reservations. I have this flight from San Diego to Chicago for January, leaving at 6:20 p.m., landing at 12:05 a.m. And I can click on change flights. I'm clicking on change flights, but I have no intention of changing the date or the departure time of my flight. I'm just only clicking on change flights to see if the price of the flight decreased. So I'm going to go ahead and select my flight and leave the same date and destination. Click on explore options, and these are the results. The same exact flight for the same date and the same time says negative 4,178 points. This means the flight price went down, and if I rebook into the same exact flight on the same exact day, on the same exact time, I'll get a 4,178 point credit back into my Southwest account. So I'm going to go ahead and select the same flight, click on review changes, and as you can see here, it's a 4,178 point credit back into my account and no fees whatsoever. Click on review passengers and pricing, and that's it. I'm still on the same flight, on the same date, on the same exact time, and I have a 4,178 point credit back into my Southwest account. This works the same exact way for cash bookings. Instead of points back into your account, you might get a travel fund credit into your Southwest account that you can use for future travel. You can't get that cash refunded back to the original form of payment, so it'll only come back into your account as a Southwest travel credit or Southwest travel fund. I recommend using this strategy whenever you get one of those Southwest sales emails saying that flights are on sale, or every once in a while check into your Southwest flight to see if the price decreased. So that's the Southwest repricing strategy. And if you use this strategy, comment below and let me know how many points or how much money you saved using this strategy. And if you like miles and points content like this, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.